Good morning. It's too early in the morning to be this fine. I'm just kidding. Hey Trendy Squad, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I look naked again. I'm not naked. So Trendy Squad, what is up? What it do, Trendy Squad? So today is the day that I tell you guys what is in store. Oh my gosh. So I am doing a road trip with my friends. I'm so excited. It's my first going away trip, my first trip with my friends. I've done another trip with my friends. Technically, you guys saw me in Barbados and stuff like that, but this one's kind of different. Like my first road trip. Never really done that with my friends before. I got a rental. We in the rental. I'm here at Kaylee's house. So I'm waiting for her to get out here. Yes. And then we're gonna go ahead and pack up the car. We have to go ahead and get Ashley, Kaylee, and Alexia. So those are my friends that are coming with me. I wrapped my hair just because I felt like it, and it actually kind of looks a little cute. You know, I'm wearing black, and then I got the black and the white. But yeah, so stay tuned for everything. I'm super duper excited. We have an Airbnb with a pool. So we got a house with a pool, baby. So that's gonna be pretty excited. I really wanted to do that so that way we can like stay at home in a way, if that makes sense, and then be safe and party and get as lit as we want, and we're safe. We're right there at home. We have a pool, we got food, like, you know, everything. So that's kind of like the idea that I have. So if you've been trying to think of an idea for your birthday, like, oh my gosh, what the heck am I gonna do? It's still, you know, like if you're still afraid of COVID and you're still in quarantine, or you're whatever the case may be, like I feel like this is a smart way that's safe. So I made sure everybody got COVID tested. So everybody COVID test. I got 2 COVID tests because I was on set yesterday. So I took a COVID test and a rapid test, so that way it could be extra safe. A few of my friends already sent me their results, so they're good. Oh, there's Kaylee. Hi. Yes, there's a lot of lizards. Okay, anyway, I gotta go help Kaylee because there's a crap ton of lizards out here and they look ugly. I saw 5 already when I drove in. But yes, stay tuned, Trendy Squad. I will talk to you guys soon. Trendy Squad, we've been welcomed by a creature. It's a rabbit. How cute. Hi. Hi, rabbit. I can't really zoom in, you guys, because I have my purse and it's falling. There we go. Now I can zoom in. So cute. Okay, we have made it. Oh my gosh, this house is really cool. It's pretty big. Have to show you guys and introduce you to everybody who is here. So let me show you guys the house. They're trying to figure out how to turn on these lights. Okay, so you walk in. I'm right here by the door, and this is what you see first. Wow, it's so big. So right now we're cleaning things down. Got the microbrand, got the disinfectant wipes. Here's the living room. Turns into kitchen. There's Jakari. And Bestie. Okay, so the kitchen. Wow, the ceilings are so high. Little breakfast nook. This room has 2 beds, so this couch turns into a bed, and then that bed. Oh, look, a desk. Could edit some videos here. Ooh, fridge. Did you clean the fridge door handle? Yeah. The fridge door handle? You did? Okay, cool. I was about to open it because I was ready. We cleaned all the light switches and everything, you guys. We're out here, extra safe. Laundry room. Alexia, you in here? Oh, you're in the bathroom. Okay. This room is so cute. Everybody's stuff is already here. Oh my gosh, we out here. There's a bathroom right there. This room, which the light is not coming on, but I guess you have to press that thing. It's kind of dark. It's by the door. No, it's with Ashley or Alexia. One of them. Okay, and then this is a really bad show of this place right now. Look how pretty. Oh, this looks dope. We're gonna have so much fun. Ooh, you guys, I'm excited. Okay, so now time for my room. It's the master. Yes, she got a master. Okay, the bed is cute. And then if I walk over here, hello pool. The pool is here. And then let's go to the bathroom. Ooh, light. Wow. Okay. Oh, is this a his and hers? Or hers and hers, or hims and hims, or shims and hims. Toilets, you know, where you gotta do your nasties. And then this shower, it reminds me of a shower in the islands. Like, it's like a walk-in shower. Look at that, how cool. So yeah, we have made it. So stay tuned, Trending Squad, we got a lot coming. Ooh, I just look so cute. Okay, hello everybody. This lighting is very nice. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna try to figure out, ooh, let's go back to the good lighting. We're gonna try to figure out what we're gonna eat because the girl's hungry. You know, I don't really eat very often. So yeah, we're gonna try to figure out what's going on around this area so we can try to get something to eat for dinner. I wanna go in the pool already. The pool is looking right and tight. But yes, Trending Squad, stay tuned. Thank you so much for coming with me. I can't wait to have fun with my friends. I gotta go play some music, so get the music set up. So yeah, stay tuned. Ready for the thumping, ready for the thumping. Okay, Trending Squad, happy birthday to me. Woo! Drink up. I'm not ready. Oh.
That tastes like juice?
That was good. No, the Ciroc is it.
This tastes alright.
Hey, FIU. Hey. Hey. Oh. Get up on my trap house. Go Lex. Hey.
DJ Khaled.
Not right now. Oh.
Watch it. We need to turn this fan on or something. It's hot. It's hot as it is hot. How we end up in the backseat, trying to get it back. We on the same page and the same way. 25 and she running. Oh, that's cute. Hello, guys. Hey, I'm running. I'm a track star looking like Koi with my braids. Okay, Trending Squad. Hope you're enjoying this video because I'm having fun. And so is everybody. Ooh, ooh. That's how I get that ooh. Down to the pain. I'm off to better things. Only doing, gonna make me elevate. Hey. All right, Trending Squad. So it's probably a wrap for tonight, but we're gonna go ahead and go into the pool and the jacuzzi. We already heated it up, which is cool. I just had to play some Koi because my hair is like literally her hair. I actually didn't do it because of her, but I have become a big fan of Koi Ray. She is cool. I don't know, just like, she's really cool. Some of the producers that I work with, I think, did this No Parties video actually. So I haven't really told you, Trending Squad, like what I've been up to. I've actually been keeping a lot of it a secret, to be straight with you, because I don't want anybody blocking my blessings. But the most recent set that I've been on, actually not the most recent because I was on one yesterday, like I told you guys before. It was a really great opportunity for me. I don't think I could talk about it because I signed some forms, but I'm just so thankful. Like, when certain things come up in your life and it's like, you're just so thankful. Like, I'm so thankful to have reached 25. I feel like I'm gonna cry because like, there's so many opportunities that I've been able to get offered in my life, right? And like this, I think, is like the biggest one. Sometimes it's very grueling being like an assistant and stuff, but like I know it's all gonna turn out to greatness. A lot of the directors and producers, they really like me, you know? It's very professional because like I am in a male dominant industry, and I feel like that can be weird. It can be, but everybody's been pretty respectful, and they've taught me a lot, and I feel like I'm learning day by day, and I feel like it's so crazy that I've been able to do this at home. I always thought I had to move to LA to be able to start my job in the industry. And my job in the industry, and I say it because like I went to school for entertainment. Like I went to school for entertainment management, and I've always been into entertainment since I was a little girl. It's just so crazy that like now at 24 to 25, I started my career and I moved. I haven't told you guys much about the whole Arizona stuff, but I feel like that's like my personal business. It's not something that I need to talk to you guys about, but just come along for the journey. And I thank you guys so much for being a part of the Trending Squad, all my real OG and loyal Trending Squad members. Thank you so much for everything and being here with me. I really do appreciate it. And I'm gonna head into the pool. I'm not even gonna get into this. I feel like I just sidetracked everything. But yeah, I'm gonna go in the pool and I'll talk to you guys maybe tomorrow. Maybe I'll continue the vlog. If not, I'm gonna end it right here. And if I do, you know what to do. You know what to do. So subscribe and like and comment and tell me what you think and wish me happy birthday, all that good stuff. I'm actually like, look at me. Look at me. Okay.